Another month, another journey. We are here now at Abu Dhabi, Sayed Station, Etihad Rail, for special trip to the PIP Emirates, which is Fujairah. God bless our way. We're going to the PIP Emirates, which is Fujairah. Welcome to the Etihad Rail with my beautiful daughter. God bless our trip. Ito kami sa Muhammad bin Zayed para sa trip to Fujairah, which is the one of the 7 Emirates here in Abu Dhabi. Andito yung aming taga-book. 2 weeks ago, nag-book siya dito sa Etihad Airways. At dahil Monday off, nagkaroon kami ng pagkakatarong makapasyal dito sa Etihad Railways at the same time sa pang-5 Emirates na mararating namin dito sa Abu Dhabi. Thank you for choosing Etihad Rail. Para ka nasa airport. Bago ka pumasok, mag-time in, may libre ng dates at saka tsa.
So, pumunta dito sa December.
Aside from dates at libreng tsahe, may palibre pang 2 kinds of juice. Orange juice and pineapple juice.
Diyan nilalagay yan. Sinaing na tulingan at kanin.
May baong kang tulingan.
شكرا لحسن انتباهكم. Dear guests, welcome on board Etihad Rail. This train is traveling to Fujairah Station. For your safety, please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety guidelines available on the Etihad Rail app, website, and at our stations. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much. Thank you, kabayan. May pa na, may pa chocolate pa, at may pa 2 juice pa. Saan ka pa? Ayan, tumatakbo na. Para ka lang nasa plane. Ang ganda. Hindi pala maganda. Exciting. Ayan. This is it. Nandito kami sa Muhammad bin Zayed Way, going to Fujairah. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Pang-5 Emirates na mararating namin dito sa United Arab Emirates. Wow, si brother, may patsahe pa. Wahad ako. Sukran gasilan ako. Pangalawa ng tiyan ni mama. Ganyan lang si mama. Basta't libre, sige. Ayan. Yan ang mga compliments ni mama for today. Ba, Bianca, may naalaala ka?
connecting transport
Dark
options.
chocolate pala ang
For
laman nito.
assistance, please speak to a member of our onboard team.
Etihad
Thank you for
chocolate,
choosing
complimentary.
Etihad Rail. We wish you a pleasant journey.
Etihad juice, chop-chop. Etihad Rail, mango jasmine shot. Sarap siguro nito. Pero ang masarap yung libreng booking ni Cutie. Yan ang pinakamasarap. Thank you, Cutie, for the nice experience in Etihad Rail. Basta Monday, may booking.
Sa una lang mo. Sa simula lang mabait.
Sa simula lang mabait.
Pag inantok na si Cutie, magkano na yan.
Pag inantok na si Cutie kasi wala pang tulog galing sa trabaho, magwawala na yan. Iba't ibang puno ng dates.
Implement. Kasi bago pa.
Meron ding tubig,
Pambola.
karaki, small juice, 2 kinds of juice, mango and pineapple.
Ano kaya pag may naglakad na kami?
At ano ba yung balot-balot na yan ni ate?
Kape.
Ano, paano pag may naglakad na kami sa ano?
Sa tabi ng train. Oo nga.
Libre pa. Wi-Fi.
Ano po to, kabundukan? This is
Hi. We have claw sandwich, chicken fajita. Which one you want?
what sandwich? Mamimili ka daw.
Pancake.
I don't like that. Let me see. What is this pancake? Okay, 1 pancake. Croissant. Ah. There is croissant. Croissant. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
We have chicken fajita also.
Okay, okay. One more,
You
this
want
one.
chicken fajita?
For Papa.
Bread. Yeah, we have.
It's like shawarma. Oh, saan ka pa? Oh? Bago ka pala bumaba ng train na to, busog ka na. Sulit na yung booking ni Cutie ko. This is the second week ng opening ng Etihad Rail. Kaya may mga compliments pa sila for promotion.
This one claw sandwich. And what about you know?
This one is okay.
Pancake.
Pancake.
Then okay.
May libreng tubig. Sari-sari na. Buti na lang may makabagong Etihad Rail. Inopen ito noong June 30. At dahil busy kami, ang weekend namin is Monday, sabay kami ni Cutie ng off. Kaya Monday lang kami nakakapag-planong maglakwat siya.
Kita Maritas ba din?
Halos naubos na namin ang Abu Dhabi pasyalan, kaya buti na lang nag-open ang Etihad Rail. Natutupad na yung pangarap namin marating ang 7 Emirates ng Abu Dhabi. And today's trip is going to Fujairah. It's how many hours trip from Abu Dhabi? 2 hours trip from Abu Dhabi by Etihad Rail. Ang makabagong train dito sa United Arab Emirates. Si Guwapo ay taga Batangas.
Kakaya kong lolo.